How to upgrade the firmware of the 1708 HD switcher. Prepare an empty USB flash drive and connect it to a computer. Format the USB drive and set the file system to FAT32. After formatting is complete, download the firmware and extract it. Copy the C51 folder to the root directory of the USB drive. Then safely remove the USB drive. Turn off the power of the switcher. Insert the USB drive into the switcher, then power it on. When the beep 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 sound ends, the upgrade is complete. Wait about 3 seconds, power off the switcher, remove the USB drive, then power it on again. The device will now operate normally. Have you learned it? Warm reminder: unless necessary, do not upgrade the firmware casually. If the wrong firmware is installed, the unit will need to be returned to the factory for reprogramming, which will affect normal use.